Hello everyone. This video is going to quickly go over what to do if your teacher login is not working. So you go ahead and you go to the Codemoji.com homepage. You're going to click the right top button that says Login and type in your email. And if you get this page again after clicking enter, that means there was an issue with your login. Some of the most common issues that we run into is you accidentally put a space somewhere that they shouldn't be a space in your email. Maybe you're only going to 12345 instead of 123456 for your password. Or maybe you're typing in a different email than we have registered with Codemoji. So if you've tried double checking your password and double checking your email, and then making sure on that roster sheet that we have your email correct and it's typed out correctly and that you have it typed in correctly, go ahead and reach out to Codemoji. But those are the most common issues that we run into are the spaces and maybe not having all of the digits typed on your password. Once you log in, your home page is going to look like this. That means you're in the right place. Hopefully this video helps. Have a great day. Thank you.